Hey everyone! Welcome back to TechChi, where we explore the technology that's shaping tomorrow today. If you're into cutting-edge innovation, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a tech breakthrough. Today, we're diving into something that sounds like science fiction, but it's quickly becoming reality: Neuralink. Elon Musk's brain-computer interface project that could radically transform how humans interact with technology and even with each other. Neuralink is a neurotechnology company founded by Elon Musk. Its goal? To develop brain-machine interfaces, BMIs, that allow direct communication between the human brain and external devices. The core idea is to implant a small chip into the brain using ultra-thin electrodes. This chip can record brain signals, interpret them, and even send information back into the brain, enabling control of computers, prosthetics, and possibly more using just your thoughts. Neuralink is pushing the boundaries of both neuroscience and engineering, aiming to bridge the biological with the digital. You might be wondering, why connect our brains to computers at all? Well, Neuralink could offer revolutionary solutions to a wide range of medical conditions, from paralysis and spinal cord injuries to blindness, epilepsy, and even depression. Imagine a person with paralysis controlling a smartphone or robotic arm just by thinking, or a blind person receiving real-time visual data sent directly to the brain. These are not just theories. Neuralink has already tested its device on animals and is seeking approval for human trials. Beyond medical use, Musk envisions a future where Neuralink enhances human cognition, making us more competitive in a world increasingly influenced by artificial intelligence. Neuralink is still in its early stages, but the progress is real. In recent demos, monkeys have been shown playing video games with their minds, no joysticks, no screens, just brainwaves. While full-scale human integration is years away, clinical trials are expected to start soon, and that could open a door to an entirely new tech-human relationship. Of course, there are challenges, ethical concerns, regulatory barriers, and the complexity of the human brain itself. But with billions invested and top researchers on board, Neuralink could lead the charge into a future where tech isn't just in our hands, but inside our heads. As exciting as Neuralink's possibilities are, the ethical implications cannot be ignored. Questions around data privacy are front and center. If our thoughts can be read or transmitted, who owns that data? Could governments or corporations misuse this technology? There's also concern over mental autonomy. If information can be sent to the brain, how do we safeguard against manipulation? These are complex issues that will require robust regulations and global discussions to ensure Neuralink benefits humanity without compromising our fundamental rights. Beyond medical applications, Neuralink hints at a future where humans could surpass their natural limits. Imagine enhancing memory, learning new languages instantly, or accessing the internet with a thought. Musk has even speculated about saving and replaying memories, or enabling telepathic communication. While this sounds like sci-fi, incremental advancements in brain-computer interfaces are making such ideas more plausible. The key will be balancing enhancement with ethical responsibility. Neuralink represents a broader vision of human-machine symbiosis, a future where we're not competing with AI, but collaborating with it directly through neural interfaces. This could redefine how we work, learn, and connect with others. From augmented reality experiences controlled by thought to brain-linked global networks, the line between biological and digital could blur. While challenges remain, Neuralink's ambition has already sparked a race in neurotechnology that could shape the next era of human evolution. So, could Neuralink be the next big leap in human evolution? It's a bold question and one we'll be following closely here on TechChi. What do you think? Would you ever consider connecting your brain to a computer? Let me know in the comments. I read every one of them. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechChi, and share it with someone who loves futuristic tech. We've got more deep dives coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay smart, and stay connected.